Hey guys, good evening. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple orange margarita. There's more than one way to make it, and we're going to show you how in quick simple steps. And the main two ingredients are tequila and orange lacquer, or triple sec in this case. Here we go. Alright guys, so the next step is you're going to get a plate or bowl filled with salt, and now you're going to salt the lining of your rim. So we're going to use a lemon. We're going to salt the lining here just like this, just to impress her. I'm going to roll it like this. So once you get all the salts on the corner, now you're ready to make the drink. So first you're going to get your tequila, which is in here. We're going to pour the tequila here. You can use Cazadores. Make sure you use a tequila that's blanco. It's really good for margaritas. So this is what the tequila is. And then you're gonna grab a triple sec here, and you're gonna put 45 milliliters of it. And sorry, I forgot to tell you, you need to add 75 mils of tequila, which is already in here, and then 45 mils of orange lacquer or liquor. Triple sec here, 45 mils. We're going to place in here. Once you're done that, you need 90 mils of orange juice. So just use any regular orange juice that you see here. Going to put it into the drink here. You also need 70 mils of lime juice or freshly squeezed lemon. Going to put it in here. And if you want, you can always add in a sweetener, which is basically sugar, or simple syrup, which is a cup of water and a cup of sugar. Boil it and then let it cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in one or two tablespoons of simple syrup in here, and then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar here. Or a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to put in here. And then we're going to put the rocks in a bit. We're going to stir this here. And now we're going to put the rocks. It is now ready to serve an orange margarita with some lime juice. Thank you for watching, Mr. Pogi. We hope you like the drink. And one more thing. Usually tequila is bitter. You can add more sweetener or simple syrup to your preference. Remember, the drink's going to be bitter, so keep adding more sugar if you like. Thank you.